part of the tortilla, okay? And this, where you see the bubble that the tortilla sometimes pops, is the inside part, when you can break it. See?
Okay.
This is the inside part of the tortilla. Here is where we put the beef, the chicken, and the cheese and everything, okay? So every time you make a tortilla, if you put it in this side, sometimes it breaks.
Oh.
Okay? That's why.
Okay.
I know. That's happened here in Mexico. I know
So you should put it on the bubble side.
For example, they always grow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
I know. Sorry about that. So where is the bubble is the size where you pour everything. And quesadilla, talking about quesadilla. Quesadilla means folded tortilla. So a quesadilla could have or could not have cheese. Okay, it's not quesa from queso. No. Quesadilla is folded tortilla. Okay. So, and the way we eat them, we just roll it like this, and we try them. Tortilladora. Here is the corn dough. As you can see, the corn dough is on the top of the tortilladora. Inside there are those two rotten that flatten the tortilla and give the shape on the side. Here you can see the tortilla that is raw, and it's cooked in this part of the tortilladora, okay?
You guys ready to make some delicious stuff? Yay!
There was 4 spoons. Now I'm going to add. Like the salt bacon, at least. Okay. So you can say that you made it. Actually, you made it.
Arriba.
Abajo.
Abajo.
Al centro.
Adentro.
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 Salud.
Salud. Salud, everyone. Salud. So for dessert, we're having Mexican hot chocolate, cornbread they have here, cornbread. I'm going to taste the Mexican hot chocolate for the first time.
Okay, how cute are these cups?
The cinnamon. Delicioso. guava paste, little tears with a surprise inside, and chocolate, okay? And some gummies, hard gummies for Valentine's Day. Okay, so be free to
Oh, so cute.
take.
So cute.